Okay, take a look at, this is number 2 on the STAAR Ready exam. It's a good idea to have a highlighter. They will give you one for testing time. It says triangle ABC is similar to triangle FGH. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you stack the names of your shapes here. And none of these pencils are sharpened. Perfect. Oh, here we go. Okay, so ABC is similar to FGH. When I stack them, it's going to make it really simple for me to see which side lengths correspond and which angles are identical. So these are the angles that go together, A and F. This one and this one are exactly the same measure. But more importantly, when we're asked to find the value of X, which is one of these lengths, is we're going to go ahead and highlight the lengths. So AB, I'm going to make this pencil mark all along AB, and then I'm doing the same thing to FG. I would find FG, and I would make the same mark so that it's color coding. Then I can go ahead and grab my highlighter, and I'm going to go with BC is yellow, and that also means that GH is yellow. And if you wanted to label one more, it would be the one that's left over. That's A and C. Goes with F to H. Okay, now that I have color coding and I am looking for X, for sure yellow has to be part of my proportion. So I'm going to put yellow on top. And then I'm looking at my other two sets of numbers. I can either use 12 and 18, or I can use 9 and 13.5. I don't really like decimals, you probably don't either, so I'm going to use these whole numbers. So this will be my other label. Alright, with my proportion, this information I'm going to get from the picture on the left, or the first picture goes with the first ratio. So yellow highlighted is 15, the squiggly line is 12. Over here, yellow highlighted is X, squiggly is 18. Before I decide to cross multiply and divide, I'm going to go ahead and simplify some things. I know that these are divisible by 3. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 3 into 12 is 4 times. And then I'm like, oh man, okay, maybe I don't have a shortcut. 3 times 5, 3 times 4. Yeah, I'm going to have to just multiply here. So 4 times X, that's 4X. And then 18 times 5. That's 90, and the last step is to divide by 4. Cancels, 90 divided by 4. 4 into 9 is twice. And actually I'm going to stop right there because I know that my answer has to start with 2. If I look at my choices, this is the only one that makes sense. Okay, but I'll go ahead and finish this for you. That's 10, that goes in twice, that's 8. That's 2, add a decimal and a 0. And 4 into 20 is 5 times. Okay, not too bad, but make sure to color code.